In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Drive available offline. If you ever need to open your files on a flight, during a commute, or anywhere with spotty internet, setting up offline access will save you time and stress. We'll do this right in your web browser on a computer, and it works best in Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. First, make sure you're connected to the internet to set things up. Open drive.google.com in Chrome or Edge. In the top right, click the gear icon to open Settings. In the Settings panel, find the Offline section and turn on the option labeled Create, Open, and Edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline. If your browser asks you to add the Google Docs offline extension, go ahead and allow it. That extension enables offline editing inside your browser. After enabling offline mode, give your computer a moment to prepare your workspace. Keeping your browser open for a bit helps. Drive download what it needs in the background. Next, choose exactly which files you want ready when you're offline. Go back to your files in Drive, locate a document, spreadsheet, or presentation you'll need, then right-click it and select Make Available Offline. You can do this for multiple items at once. Hold Ctrl or Command to pick individual files, or hold Shift to select a range, then right-click and make them available offline. You'll usually see an indicator showing that a file is now available without internet, so you can be confident it's ready before you disconnect. Here are a few important things to keep in mind. Offline access works best for Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. Those open directly in your browser and let you keep working without a connection. Any edits you make offline are saved locally and will sync automatically the next time you're online, so you don't have to upload anything manually. Because files are stored on your device for offline use, they take up local storage space. If your device is low on space, be selective about what you mark for offline access. And remember, you'll open offline files through Google Drive in your browser. Even without internet, go to drive.google.com and your offline-ready files will still open. That's it. Turn on offline mode in Drive, mark the specific files you need, and you're set. With a little preparation, you'll be able to work confidently anywhere, even without a connection.